Imagine a silent intruder affecting millions worldwide. This intruder is diabetes, a chronic condition. Diabetes impedes the body's ability to process sugar, causing a ripple effect that impacts the quality of life and can lead to other serious health complications. As a growing global health concern, the prevalence of diabetes is alarming. It's not just a personal battle, but a global challenge that we all face together. Understanding and managing diabetes is crucial, and diet plays a pivotal role. Living with diabetes is like walking on a tightrope. It's a delicate balance, a constant juggling act between maintaining your blood sugar levels and navigating daily life. The challenge is real, and it's something millions of people grapple with every single day. Imagine trying to maintain a balance on an invisible seesaw. On one side we have hyperglycemia, where your blood sugar levels soar high, leading to fatigue, frequent urination, and even serious long-term complications like heart disease and kidney damage. On the other side we have hypoglycemia, a condition characterized by abnormally low blood sugar levels. This can lead to dizziness, confusion, and in severe cases, loss of consciousness. Now, the key to maintaining this balance, to ensuring that this seesaw doesn't tip too far in either direction, lies largely in one's diet. Yes, the food we eat plays a pivotal role in managing diabetes. It's like the wind beneath the wings of your diabetes management plan. A diet too rich in carbohydrates, for instance, can cause your blood sugar levels to spike. On the other hand, skipping meals or not eating enough can cause your blood sugar levels to plummet. It's all about finding the right balance, the right mix of nutrients to keep your blood sugar levels stable. This is no easy task, mind you. It requires careful planning, a deep understanding of how different foods affect your blood sugar levels, and a commitment to stick to a healthy eating plan. It's a challenge, yes, but it's not an insurmountable one. You see, the right diet, coupled with regular exercise and medication, can help you stay in control of your diabetes, rather than letting it control you. It can help you maintain that delicate balance, keep that seesaw from tipping too far in either direction. Indeed, managing diabetes may be challenging, but a proper diet can make the journey smoother. It's not just about living with diabetes, it's about living well with diabetes. And food, believe it or not, can be a powerful tool in your diabetes management toolkit. Food is not just about filling our stomachs, it's our body's fuel. And for diabetics, it's a key player. Food, glorious food. It's a source of pleasure, comfort, and most importantly, nourishment. But when it comes to diabetes, food takes on a whole new level of significance. It's not just about what tastes good, but also about what can keep your blood sugar levels in check. You see, when we eat, our bodies break down the food into glucose, a type of sugar that fuels our cells. But for people with diabetes, this process doesn't work as it should. The result? A sugar pile-up in the bloodstream, and that's where diet enters the picture. The foods we eat can have a significant impact on blood sugar levels. And it's not just a matter of avoiding sweets, it involves choosing the right kinds of foods, those that can provide a slow, steady supply of glucose rather than a quick sugar spike. So what should be on your plate? Think balance. A well-rounded diet for diabetes management is like a teeter-totter. On one side, you have complex carbohydrates. These aren't your average carbs. They're the whole grains, fruits, and veggies that break down slowly and steadily, providing a gentle rise in blood sugar. On the other side of the balance, we find fiber. This unsung hero slows down digestion, which helps prevent those pesky sugar spikes. And let's not forget lean proteins and healthy fats, the weights that keep our teeter-totter steady. Proteins help you feel full, while healthy fats like those found in avocados, olives, and nuts can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Lastly, hydration is crucial. Water doesn't directly lower blood sugar levels, but it helps your kidneys flush out excess sugar through urine. So keep that water bottle handy. Our food choices can be powerful tools in managing diabetes. By focusing on complex carbohydrates, fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats, we can help our bodies maintain a healthier blood sugar balance. Remember, what you eat can be the secret weapon in your battle against diabetes. Now, let's uncover the top 5 foods that can help control diabetes. First on our list, we have leafy green vegetables. These verdant veggies are a superfood for a reason. They're low in calories and carbs, making them perfect for blood sugar control. Plus, they're packed with vitamins and minerals. Among these, magnesium and vitamin C stand out, both of which have been linked to lower blood sugar levels. Kale, spinach, lettuce, and collard greens. They're all excellent choices, and the best part, they're versatile. You can have them in salads, smoothies, stir-fries, or even as a side dish. Next up, we have whole grains. Now, when it comes to carbohydrates, it's all about quality, not quantity. Whole grains are high in fiber, which can slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and prevent spikes in blood glucose. Whole grains like brown rice, oatmeal, and quinoa not only keep you satiated, but also help in maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Our third food is lean proteins. Lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, and fish are excellent for people with diabetes. They have minimal impact on blood sugar levels and can help control hunger, which is essential for weight management. Additionally, certain types of fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are heart healthy. So incorporating lean proteins into your meals can provide a double benefit. Fourth on the list are berries. These little fruits are a powerhouse of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C, all of which can help in controlling blood sugar levels. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, berries can be a sweet addition to your diet without causing a sugar overload. They can be enjoyed as a snack in salads or even in smoothies. Last but not least, we have nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, to name a few, are high in fiber and healthy fats, which can help in controlling blood sugar. Moreover, they're a good source of magnesium, a mineral that's often deficient in people with diabetes. So snacking on a handful of nuts can be a great way to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a significant difference in managing your diabetes. But remember, everyone's body responds differently to different foods, so it's important to monitor your blood sugar levels and see what works best for you. And of course, while diet plays a crucial role, it's just one piece of the puzzle. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management are equally important in managing diabetes. So, there you have it. The top 5 foods for controlling diabetes: leafy greens, whole grains, lean proteins, berries, and nuts. They're nutritious, delicious, and can help you keep your blood sugar levels in balance. But remember, these foods are not a magic bullet. They're part of a larger lifestyle approach to managing diabetes. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a significant difference in managing your diabetes. It's about making smart choices and creating a meal plan that works for you. And remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these foods and see how they can help you in your journey towards better blood sugar control. And as always, take care of your health, because it's the most valuable thing you have. So, what have we learned today? We've journeyed through the complex world of diabetes, a condition that affects millions globally, and understood the unique challenges it presents. We've seen how maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is a constant balancing act, a dance that requires careful attention to diet, among other factors. We've then explored the power of food, not just as a source of nourishment, but as a tool in managing diabetes. We've discovered that certain foods, thanks to their nutritional composition, can help maintain steady blood sugar levels and contribute to overall health. We've delved into the top 5 foods that are beneficial for individuals with diabetes. We've learned about the fiber-rich goodness of whole grains, the blood sugar-regulating properties of leafy greens, the heart-friendly monounsaturated fats in avocados, the slow-digesting carbs in sweet potatoes, and the omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish. We've underscored that these foods, when incorporated into a balanced diet, can significantly aid in controlling diabetes. But remember, these aren't magical solutions. They're parts of a larger puzzle, pieces that fit into a comprehensive approach to managing diabetes, which includes regular exercise, medication if necessary, and regular checkups with your healthcare provider. That's the power of diet in diabetes management. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat, when you eat, and the balance you maintain. With the right diet, you can take control of your diabetes instead of it controlling you.